Glass tanks can be used for housing with a fixed glass top. Ball pythons are more cunning than other snakes when it comes to escaping from the cage. A 10-gallon tank can be used for a hatchling. A young adult will need a 20-gallon tank, and a full-grown adult will need a 30-gallon tank. These snakes will adjust to the environment it is housed in, but will normally require a more humid area when it is shedding. If one notices that the snake has not eaten for a very long time, though it is necessary, and it begins to lose weight, it must be shown to a veterinary. Diet. In the wild ball, pythons eat amphibians, small mammals, and birds. They do not eat mice in the wild. In captivity, one has to let them grow into the activity of being fed with mice. These snakes do not need to eat regularly, and some may even live for up to a year without any food. Baby ball pythons can be fed with mice that have already been killed. If the hatchling is smaller than usual, a smaller mouse can be used as the feed. Adults may be fed with larger mice. These snakes do not need a regular feeding timetable. Fresh water must be provided daily, as the ball python, like others, drinks and also soaks itself in the water. Heat and light. For the snake to be healthy, proper temperature range must be maintained. A temperature of 80 to 85 Fahrenheit with a 90-degree spot for basking must be maintained in the daytime. The temperature may be around 70 to 75 Fahrenheit in the cooler area. Heating pads may be used under the glass enclosure. Hot rocks will not be suitable because ball pythons are susceptible to thermal burns. Special lights are not needed, and a low-wattage bulb can be used to view the snake in the daytime. Ball pythons are especially prone to getting burned, and so the light must not be kept directly above them. Environment. Ball pythons in the wild are found in generally temperate to arid areas. Initially, paper towels can be used as substrate in the housing. This will also help determine if there are any mites present, and also the feces can be monitored. Shredded cypress or fir bark can be used after the ball python is used to living in the enclosure. Pine and aspen shavings are not recommended, as they may get lodged in the mouth, causing respiratory problems. Soiled shavings must be removed to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungus. An empty cardboard box or a log must be placed inside the cage for the ball python to use it as a hiding place. One must make sure the box is large enough for the entire snake to fit inside. The hiding place should not be too big, as the snake likes to have a small place to hide. Fake branches and greenery may be placed inside the cage for the snake to climb and hang on. Behavior. They are active around dawn and dusk. They are comfortable on the ground and in the trees. They curl up tightly and put their heads in the center when they become nervous. They are curious and gentle. Some ball pythons will not shed for a few months when they are initially in captivity. This means they are highly stressed with the surroundings. Thank you for watching. To read this full article, click the link in the description. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a wonderful day.